up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It is Dionna Cachét. We got a new wig to install and review today. It is the Sensational Cloud 9 Swiss Lace Tyrina wig. It's a bob wig, and I did get it in, I think it was like gold money piece or something like that. So it's blonde, black to blonde. And then in the front, it's kind of like that little money piece, little streaks, or highlights. Okay, so here I am. Let me tell you something. These wigs, if you got a big head, I suggest cutting that elastic band out to give it more stretch and more room, so that your lace can fit from ear to ear. That's what I normally do because I have a big head. Also, guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please be sure to subscribe to my channel. Okay? Like this video, comment on this video. Let me know what if you want to see more wig installs, or if you want to see how I do my baby hairs, because I don't think I did my baby hairs on this video. But yeah. So I used the Ebin. It was my first time getting the Ebin or Ebin lace adhesive spray. So I used that instead of got to be spray on my ball cap. Now, this is a trick that I just realized from doing my lace fronts more often. Putting that glue on and then making sure you spread it out super duper thin. If you have excess glue, just swipe it off and then keep making sure you make that just super thin, so it will dry even and you won't have those little white spots everywhere where it didn't dry even at. So I do suggest, instead of taking the glue all the way across the top of your head, like just try to take it like in the top middle part and then spread it down to your ear tab and then down to the other ear tab, which will make it easier, and basically you don't have as much excess glue to wipe off. Or you could do like the little dots. But yeah, I did 2 layers of glue on this wig. I should have put my wig on before I even put the glue on, so that's me trying to get the hairs out the way, because that was my bad. I messed up right there, but everything was fine. And basically what I'm going to do is just pull it forward, push it down with the comb it back a little bit, make sure it's secure. This wig I did not attempt to pluck it. I didn't feel like trying to pluck it, but I could have, because I mean it came like pre-plucked, but as you can see, like on the sides it is a little bit weak, so I could have plucked that. But the way I'm wearing it, like I have like a middle part, you can't even see that part. And then also, when I wear like a side part, you can't really see that part either. Yeah, the Ebin products, Ebin, whatever it's called, they are the truth. That spray kept my ball cap down. Got to be spray could never. And that lace glue kept my wig on again for over 5 days. Y'all, I took this wig off and washed it, and it turned out so soft, like it was just like I just took it out the box again, like it was a fresh wig. it barely tangles to like, it's happening to me every single time I try to put my elastic band on. It just always pop. Alright, boom. I'm going to part it, and I am going to spray it with Got the Bee spray, and then use my hot comb to flatten it out. Spray, spray, spray. I would have used my wax stick if it was like human hair, like along with the spray, but I don't know about that. Listen, like I didn't want it to be looking greasy. Oh, and this wig was only $50, and it's good, and it don't tangle. It do shed a little bit, but what wig don't shed? Spray it again, spray it again. We gonna lay this down. Y'all, right now I'm on like a whole little eating healthy, cleansing, intermittent fasting, workout like journey. So if y'all have any suggestions, please comment below and let me know. What do you suggest? I'm trying to get cute for my 29th birthday. So this is the final look with my baby hairs down. I did do my little side little swoops or whatever. But yeah. And I do have a picture I'm inserting with it flipped over. But if you are not following me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram at Cachét, DEE, and then Cachét. Follow us at Cachét Cosmetics, just so you can see this picture here. Bye.